this is CJ.
And I'm Jackie.
And this is a quick tutorial on the Romanian Dead Lift. Now there's two common flaws I usually see with this movement. It's the setup and the execution. So Jackie, pick up the bells. Okay. And we're going to show you all the poor stuff or wrong stuff first. So get into a bad start position. Okay. So you'll see upper back already rounded, shoulders cave forward and in. Okay. And just a couple, maybe 2 or 3 bad reps. I'm not going to make you do too many, but this is something I see all the time. So go and do some bad reps, Jackie. Okay, at this point she's not even hinging. She's like a caterpillar. Pause. Okay, back. Okay, so you see lower back rounded, upper back rounded, shoulders cave forward, knees hyperextended. This is actually quite common. Okay, come out of it. Okay, now she'll show you how to do it the correct way. So let's set up, so proper setup, okay? So shoulder blades pull together a little bit, not completely, but just a little bit, okay? Tight stomach, a little bit of tension in the glutes, unlocked knees. So she's basically in a stacked position here. Shoulders over hips, over knees, over ankles, okay? And once she has this locked in, she's set up to do some good reps. So go ahead, Jackie. Good. Keep going. So in a proper hinge, her hips are moving back and then forward. Okay, and pause. Right, now we have a proper position. The knees aren't locked out, okay, but she's still getting a good hamstring stretch. We have a flat lower back, flat upper back, and the shoulders, instead of being sunk forward, she still has them set properly. Good. And that's our quick tutorial on the Romanian Dead Lift. Now, if you want to see more content like this, you can go to our Facebook page or our YouTube channel. It's Tight Assets Fitness Training. And if you want to contact us so we can come to your home and do stuff like this in the comfort of your own home, go to www.tightassets.ca and hit the Start Training button.